Okay, let's start how this PDF is generated from Latex. So that the first of all we can go through the template. This template already built in overleaf.com project. So it is easy to build and to make more easier to do your document related to your course project. So how to edit, the first you can go through. So here in this template used a markup that is title / title. So inside this title you are used the name of your subject that comes under here, that is the title comes under CS 208 Principles of Database Design. Suppose you want it as a large, so use it as a large / large. Under this comes under the subheading that is course project. Okay. So this is not required to change. Other one is the next one is the /author. So you can given here in your name, first name, and your roll number is 32. Then the second author. So not change anything regarding in the square bracket also, and in the sub bracket, that is this bracket, not change anything. That index do not change. You can just edit the portion only. Next, you want the engineering college, which engineering college or which department you are studying there. So that is come under AFFIL, that is Department of Computer Science and Engineering. Okay. Next one, the date. The date is June 2020. That is given here. June. This is the main title part, that is main title. The title part, under this title comes under the main title, subtitle, and author's name, department, and the college name. Okay. Next, the section need to divided the sessions. So under this session, the first section is abstract session. So here you gone to this section, the session part. Under this session part, I have taken the name of that session is abstract. So the same name, abstract. This one is automatically coming inside this PDF file. Under this session abstract, you are giving the abstract, what all the content that you are going for the course project, that can be written inside this session, under this session. Then next session, the first session is the abstract. The second session is regarding the tables. So first section abstract, the second session is table. So each main points comes under the session. So again here session abstract some dialogues are here. Next one is the session part. The session part contains, next one is the tables. So under this table again a subsession is given, that is 2.1 is a subsession. So the 2.1, the subsession contains, what is the subsession contain? Table 1, the name and explanation. So here you are given like the subsession, under the subsession the table name. Suppose the table name is table 1, the table name, that table 1 name is employee. So your employee. Then explanation means under this subsession giving some explanation, right? So that is comes under this subsession, the table subsession. Here the table 1 is employee. Under this employee you are giving that this employee table is used for collecting the table related, employee related data. Likewise you can given here the table 1. Similarly, the subsession contains more than one table is there. So under this subsession you can give another table also. That is table 2 also you can give. That is subsession because it comes under the subsession. So here inside also again subsession is table 2. So this diagram, this table I have import here as a figure. So for that you can import the figure also. Let's see. So begin figure, centering, it comes under a center portion, right? So include graphics means what image is going to import in this table, what image is going to import in your this table inside this subsession. So here I am importing the table name is depart underscore table is importing that picture or that image. That image is depart. So where this depart, under this overleaf you can take, under this overleaf you can take, here there is a session. That session is known as new file. So inside this new file, upload, select from your computer, okay, the position of your, where is your position of your image, that you can draw, that can you import to this session or that session. Suppose here there is no, the image is not there, no such file is found out. If there is any image, suppose I am uploading that one, you can upload in this session, it will comes under this session. Okay, here this I upload module 5, so this session it will comes under. So it can take from the new file. Under this new file there is an upload file is there, so you can upload that file inside this. Okay, so that name, the name of that image you can given here. What name is given, that can be given here. Next one is the caption. The caption means the caption under your table. What is the caption that given for your table? Here the table of department. So department table means here in the table name is department table. Okay. So these are the two things you have to identify or to find out. So the figure 1, that name is comes as the automatic because we are given as a figure. So include graphics, department table, department. So this department table image comes under from which area? The no file. Next one is the table 2. Again the table 2 comes under, the name is subsession, you know that, right? Again this one is the figure. So table 2, the subsession, again use the include graphics. So that is a department table, again import here. Again some more table is there, table 3, the subsession is over. And table n, how many tables are you want, you can use. And inside this there is some more explanation you can give. Explanation means under this subsession you can give the explanation. Next one is, third one is the codes. Comes under which session? Session, under session. Next one is the see, the session contains the codes. So the code is for what? The code giving some explanation regarding inside this, that is importing the department from the database record or some abstract related things is given regarding for the codes. So that code is importing. So which type of the language I am using means here you can give in the language is equal to Java. or sometimes the language may be HTML, sometimes it may be .asp or .net. You can give the language is equal to what type. Here the language I use is the Java, so given like that. And then under this begin list, a list, that is listing language is equal to Java. Under this you can give the code, and under this code, under this the code you can import here, then end is given. Next one, again the result. So the result comes under the session. Here the result means screenshot with the explanation is I have given. So the screenshot again, this result means after the enter the program run, it was given like this one like that. You can give an abstract regarding for the result also. So again you need to the screenshot regarding your program also upload here. So what function you can use? Figure graphics is include graphics is used for that. So include graphics means you can given how you can given for that. You can use new file and to upload the that image. So comes under here. So that name you can use here also. The same name used for this also. Next one is the conclusion. The last part is the conclusion part. So inside this conclusion part, again it is a sub session is there. So you can use the session and to give some later it is they identify some easily SQL. Okay, you can recombine. Here this is a source code, and here you are using for it is for recombine. Recombine means here it will comes. There's no other portion you have to be edited. The code inside this code not you can edit it because already it is a template that given. You can put your content only. Already I have told where the content you have to be pasted, right? This under this session. Then if you are given any figure, you can given figure and to drop the figure in the comes under this side. So if you have any doubt, you can ask.